Nandito po tayo sa Juan Ayala para maghanap ng makakain. Let's go. Pwesto natin dito. Isa lang tayo. So medyo maulan. Pero we picked a good spot. Let's see. I will review it. Masarap. You can try it. It's good. May latte. And wow. Steak specials. Every 10. Every 10. Ito po yung order natin, which is the enoki beef nikodon. Hindi mawawala ang Coke Zero. Ito yung beef. Then, itlog. Nasa enoki. I think it's somewhere there. Ayan, ito. Enoki. Okay, let's dig in. The beef, enoki. Sa review ko, masarap siya. So, para siyang katsudon na merong cheesy flavor. Marami siyang mushrooms aside from the enoki mushrooms wrapped in the beef. Ang ano ko lang sa kanya is konti yung meat ng tatlong enoki mushrooms na wrapped in beef lang. Yung price point niya is 460. I think sa serving parang hindi ako sold. Marugame udon, di ba? Ang dami niyang serving pero masarap din naman siya. Tapos mas lower price point. So, I think hindi siya sulit pero masarap siya. It has been a habit to actually eat alone. And a lot of people kasi is, well, ang tingin nila is when you eat alone, when you go out alone, or when you manood ka ng sine alone, automatically is malungkot ka na. Pero actually, a lot of introverts like me thrive in those situations. It's one of my favorite hobbies. And also because, yun nga, di ba, pag manager ka, lagi kang may ka-meeting everyday, marketing, you have to interact with people. So, yung battery ko, naubos. So, what I like to do in my free time is just to eat, go out, treat myself para mag-recharge yung social battery ko.